Welcome to Venom Workshop. Today we are doing a choke cable swap on a Venom mini Jeep. It's the 125cc with the motor in the front. First you want to do is grab your tools. So you'll need a 7mm socket with a 12mm wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. On the back of the choke cable, it is held down by a 7mm nut. So you're going to grab your socket so it can hold it down from here, just so you can loosen it up, and grab your screwdriver and just loosen it up right from there. Once you've broken that free, you want to grab the nut from the back. You don't want to lose it just because it's very small, and it's right in here now. And you just want to pull out the screw. It's also spring loaded, so do it slowly. You got the choke cable, the screw, and the spring. With the screw you have a washer as well, so try not to lose any of it. So this is what I pulled out of it. So it's a little screw with a washer. Next, this is held down by a 12mm nut, so you just want to break that loose. And one on each side, one on the bottom. So I take out the bottom one first. Make sure you don't lose it. Also hold it in your hand, pull it out. Grab this one as well, as you'll have to pull it out. I'll leave everything right here. All right, next thing you want to do is follow the choke cable all the way to the front of the mini Jeep. This is what we're replacing on the mini Jeep. So you just want to follow the cable from back here. The easiest way is to put your arm all the way from underneath the steering wheel and follow the cable. So I'm going to go all the way around. On the back of this cable is a hand tightened plastic nut. So you just want to loosen that up with your hand. I'll show you what I'm playing with right now, just in one moment. And it's this little nut right here. It's just hand tightened, it's nothing tight, so you just pull it all the way down. You want to take it out from here first. Once again, I'm gonna set it right here. And then just pull the choke cable out from the front of the mini Jeep. So now, since everything's out, you can just pull it right out. So be careful. Alright, and then you want to grab your new choke cable, and on your new choke cable it's also going to have those nuts all installed, so you want to take out all the nuts. So your new choke cable should look like this. It's got none of the nuts on it yet. So you want to run it through from the front first, pull it down, but also reach for it on this side and grab it. There it is. You want to bring it up right through here. And first you want to do is just reverse the steps. So grab this nut from here first and run it all the way to the top. Just follow it all the way through to the top. And just tighten the choke down. And once again, it's just hand tightened. You don't need no special tool or anything. Alright, so when that's all tight, there you go. And everything else is done at the top. So you want to put one of the 12mm nuts in first. And then run it right through from here. And then you want to grab the other nut, run it through. It's just going to hold it down so it doesn't vibrate off when you're riding. I'm just hand tightening it right now. I will tighten it with the wrench in a bit. So next you want to grab your little screw with the washer And it's easiest if you run it through the spring first. So put your screw through the spring, and then the next one is the choke cable, and then put it right through the choke lever. I'm gonna reach my hand from down here just to get a better angle. There you go. You just want to get the screw out as much as possible, and then grab the little 7mm nut and just install it right here. It is a little tight, but it is possible. Just hand tightening it right now, and then you just grab your tools and just tighten everything down, and you should be good to go. You'll notice that if you pull the choke from here, it's gonna pull up the on that, so you know you've done it right. There it is.